The media institution that we chose was Touchstone Pictures, because they're able to distribute as well as produce the film, and they usually deal with themes such as violence, bullying, sort of edgy adult content films with like surrealism and unusual sort of storylines to go along with. And it's also a subsidiary of Walt Disney Pictures, so it's going to be very mainstream. It'll be able to distribute widely over the world, many countries, and that. And then we'll release it onto into the cinemas, because we don't think that the content will be like offensive or risky, like enough to not be shown in the cinema. And yeah, and then we'd obviously later on in the year, about 6 months probably, release it onto Blu-ray, UMB, UMD, and DVD, so that our audience can watch it in the comfort of their own homes. They can focus on the slightly confusing storyline. It's just like, yeah, and that'll make us have a wider spread audience, perhaps picking up a few more different kinds of audience along the way, ones that weren't intended, and this will be a wider time for us to increase our profit. Yeah, and it'll be sort of like in Panic Room, you're completing a task, and in Seven you got murder and confusion. So it's like a mixture of the two, which is why we've put it in a sort of edgy institution distribution company. And we're also looking at New Line, because they have like quite cheap, low budget films made, but they also again distribute it wide to quite a few countries. Not as many as Touchstone Pictures, but still quite a few, such as Number 23, The Butterfly Effect, to them sort of films and stuff like that. And they're still quite mainstream, because it's fairly known actors and stuff like that. So yeah. And also if you use New Line, you'll be able to make the film cheaply yet still have the same desired effect as you would have in using Touchstone Pictures stuff. Yeah, that's it.